The Kasese district in the southwestern Uganda has been selected by the World Wildlife Foundation as a champion district, with the goal of making the district completely CO2 neutral by the year 2030. The district is home to a number of environmentally important wetlands and lies close to the Rwenzori Mountains, where the glaciers are melting due to increasing man-made pollution. On top of that, deforestation leads to erosion and landslides.
If we don't conserve the environment, then the simple answer is we are going to die.
In this area, just a few miles out of Kasese, a landslide recently buried half a family's house, claiming the life of 3 children. The lack of trees is a serious problem for man and nature alike.
We are doing this because we are realizing that if we don't do it, Kasese will lose all its trees in less than 25 years. And so there is need to improve energy access, change over to renewable energy options, and sustainable use of biomass resources.
Making the district CO2 neutral is an ambitious goal, but in order to get a fair shot, the WWF has teamed up with a strategic partnership, Access to Innovation, that includes university researchers and private companies as well as other NGOs. The economy of the Kasese district is primarily based on small-scale farming of maize, bananas and fruits, as well as vanilla, coffee and cocoa. Access to Innovation and the Confederation of Danish Industry has conducted a preliminary visit of the district in order to map some of the potential business opportunities for partners in the Access to Innovation network.
There are several kind of potential business opportunities within waste management and also when working within energy hubs. And this especially when we're focusing on a community level.
Though the need is obvious everywhere all the time, it is well worth the time of doing your research before venturing out onto the Ugandan energy market.
In terms of business opportunities, it's very important how you go about it. I think there's definitely potential, but the companies that are going to get involved in Kasese need to approach it in the right way. And I think the right way is not going in a household level and aspiring to sell to individual customers, but looking into community-based models where companies can use the benefits of the purchasing power that is aggregated in the community.
Building large-scale solutions and turning them into a locally grounded success can be done. On the outskirts of Kasese, Norwegian power suppliers Power has built a modern hydropower plant based on a viable business model.
I think it is a success because we are already 3 years in operation. We are able to give power to the national grid, and our relationship is still very okay with the local community. I think this is like a pilot plant. It has succeeded, so we need to expand.
One of the main reasons for the power plant's success lies in engaging a very involved strategy of keeping strong ties with the local population.
We worked very closely with the local authorities. During the construction period, we had a team called the Bukoe Participatory Committee, which was very instrumental in talking to the locals regarding the relocation, compensation, and I think that helped a lot to understand and have the process move smoothly.
I think one of the main lessons learned from Power is their close involvement and interaction together with the local community, not only in the planning of the project, but also in the following implementation phase.
Access to Innovation, the World Wildlife Foundation and the Federation of Danish Industry has identified business potentials within sustainable energy solutions. They may be based on waste-to-energy solutions and should be aimed at a community level rather than targeting individual households. Setting up energy hubs at schools may be a solution. This would minimize the disadvantages of a practically non-existent power grid in the rural areas. Access to Innovation will be conducting a series of workshops aimed at researchers and companies who would like to participate in developing energy solutions for the Kasese Champion District and open the door to a very large market.